Blockchain construction method explanation of how to build a blockchain value internet. In order to realize the internet-based interconnection of assets in the whole society, three problems must be solved: a completely open platform, the security of funds, and the pricing of assets. Is it feasible to use traditional or previously popular technologies to exchange points for earphones or tokens to buy drinks? In fact, it is possible to achieve the above goals even in a system built with a centralized idea, but it is not economical. For example, using the points of a department store to buy a pair of headphones online, to achieve this goal, we must open up the point system of the department store and the e-commerce payment system that sells this pair of headphones. Not to mention whether the two sides of the competition will come together, just to get through all the department stores, M, and e-commerce payment systems, N, in the society requires M times N transformation work to achieve. If it is implemented in a specific company, it will also require M or N renovations. It is not an easy task just by listening to the numbers, but how much real economic benefit can there be after getting through? Will businesses be motivated to do this? However, blockchain technology brings people a solution that is completely beyond traditional thinking. A decentralized network platform that includes all kinds of assets in the whole society allows different trading entities and different types of trading resources to have the possibility of cross-border transactions, and blockchain digital encryption currency technology ensures the security of funds and information security, and through the mutual trust and value transfer system, transactions that could not be completed before can be reached. A decentralized network is not restricted by any center, and will not affect others because of who joins or withdraws. Encryption algorithms ensure data security, convenient access ensures that anyone can freely join the market. It can be said that it is the birth of blockchain technology that makes a social scale value network possible. In the value network, traditional merchants can share their own resources, goods or services, users, means of payment, and non-traditional merchants, individuals, non-commercial other legal persons, can also share their resources. As long as you are in this, there is credit on the network platform. As long as your resources are valuable, the open platform can accept various standard or non-standard resource categories, even if it is unprecedented. With the help of smart contract technology, more complex transaction settings, and full securitization of assets allow everyone to become a financier. Blockchain technology has been researched for many years and has been recognized by many places, including now. Blockchain is still the focus of research. The 3 steps to build a blockchain in detail. Presumably everyone already knows that the revolutionary era of the blockchain has arrived. As an ordinary programmer, what preparations should be made to build a blockchain? Regarding whether it is easy to build a blockchain, today, the editor will talk to you about the 3 steps to build a blockchain. The first thing you have to remember about blockchain technology is that it is composed of immutable and sequentially recorded blocks. This includes the usual transaction data and various file data, as well as any data that you want to record. Of course, the most important thing is that these areas are linked together by hashing. This is the first little common sense to understand when building a blockchain. Then the first step should be to create a blockchain. At this time, some commonly used editors should be opened. This process must be understood by programmers, so I will not continue to expand the topic here. The first step in building a blockchain is naturally to create a file, and what needs to be noted in this process is to name a new file. At this time, if you are unclear, you can refer to the source code appropriately. The second step is to create an API. At this time, you need to use an overall framework, but it is only a light framework, and it is easy to recognize the endpoint. At this time, you can use HTTP to request access to our website through the web page. Created blockchain. Building the blockchain itself is divided into 3 methods based on the creation of this step, one of which is to create new transactions, and at the same time, to mine new blocks and return to the complete category. The third step in building a blockchain is to realize the exchange with the blockchain. After the first 2 steps of construction are completed, the blockchain is built by realizing the exchange with the blockchain. Whether it is an ordinary programmer or an institution, if you want to master the skills of blockchain quickly and in detail, and to handle this type of program, you must have a detailed learning process. Especially with regard to the current skyrocketing digital currency, many investors want to know what technologies are behind the blockchain. You can learn about the process of building a blockchain through professional institutions. After clearing the 3 steps of building a blockchain, and then exploring step by step, there will be gains in the end. Everyone should continue to learn its relevant knowledge in practice, which will help everyone to better understand the most basic principles and knowledge of the blockchain, so that there will be greater motivation for people to persist. Learn and understand, and eventually you can develop a blockchain program yourself, and figure out the technology to build a blockchain.